Hi everybody. So I did a thing. I actually upgraded my IPSY Glam Bag Plus to the Glam Bag Ultimate. So today I'm going to be sharing with you what all came in my bag and if I think that it's worth the extra $25 or not. So your Glam Bag Ultimate is going to come with a guide that tells you everything that's in it and how much it retails for. I did try today. I actually got to do my makeup. I haven't been able to do this down since COVID. I've been wearing a mask, so I've been doing from here up and my eyes. So this feels wonderful to be able to actually do my makeup. So I did try to use every product today. I didn't get to all of them, and I think you'll see why. So let's go ahead and start with our first product. I'll actually start from my least favorite to favorite. Okay, so this is Destination Perfect Hair. It's a shampoo, conditioner, and then a treatment mask for your hair, which, I mean, I think I'll use these whenever, maybe for a gym bag or going out to travel or something, but to actually keep, like, it's just not my favorite thing. I'm not huge on hair products. As you can tell, this is like all that happens, or it's down, all or nothing. So that retails for $9. Not my favorite, haven't used it. Next, also not a favorite of mine. I don't really care for getting brushes, but sometimes they come, so that's fine. This brush is MODA, so MODA. And this brush retails for $20, and it's an angle contour blush brush. I actually used it today to just do a little bit of highlighting, and that's it. Vegan, cruelty-free. The next one, face masks. Now, you hear a lot of people that are on, that use this subscription, that they get a lot of face masks. And we do. And the sheet ones aren't so bad, but it's like you get a lot of them. So use them, or you'll just have a stockpile of them. So this is the face mask that you get. There's 3 of them, and this retails for $7.50. I haven't used one of these yet. You get a fruit mask, water mask, and brain mask. The next thing is No Problem Prime Water. It's like a rose water, and you put a couple of drops on before you put on your foundation, or I've read that you can mix it with your foundation. I put it on today. I did 2 drops before I put on my foundation. And I mean, it's okay. I'm not huge on face primers, but I'm not against them. But I did try it, and I'll continue to try it because it may be something that grows on me. You never know. This retails for $23, and that's full size. Everything I've shown you so far is full size. Okay, the next thing is Cake Beauty, and this is a lotion, hand cream. I did put it on before the video, and it kind of smells like licorice a little bit. I do like the cake lotions though, because they go on so nice and creamy. They're really nice. So this one is a sample, deluxe sample. I do like it. It doesn't give you retail because it's a sample, obviously. Okay, all of my stuff went rolling that way. Okay, the next thing. This is another deluxe sample. It's a matcha green tea and lemon detoxifying mask. And I did try this today. I like it. You leave it on for 15 minutes. It has exfoliating little sandy kind of bits in it. And if you've ever seen the movie Bill and Ted's Bogus Adventure, there's this ghost guy in there that's like the Grim Reaper. He is the Grim Reaper. And you look like him when this thing dries after 15 minutes. Your face is like white and stiff, like super like, but I do like it, and my skin felt good afterwards, and it was really shiny. It was pretty nice. So yeah, I do recommend this if you wanted to try it. If you got it in your bag, go ahead and try it. It's really nice. Okay, the next thing I got, let's go to, okay, so here's where, this is why I have like sparkle galore right now on my eyelids. So when I opened this product, I was like, oh my gosh, there's so much glitter. It's KAJA, and you get 3 different eyeshadows with this. So that's the first one. Let me flip this bad boy over. This retails for $21. So you get 1, 2, and 3. And I did use all 3. So this dark purple I put on the outside here. And then I came in with this color and put it here. And then I came in with the lighter color and actually used it as an inner corner highlight, which it did a freaking awesome job. I really think that looks good. So that one's pretty cool. It does say to apply it with your fingers to get less fallout or no fallout. I still got fallout. I think I suck at applying eyeshadow with my fingers, or I just, I don't know what I'm doing. So it could be either one. But I really do like this. I was able to touch it up, so it was just fine. Okay, the next thing I got is Spice of Life eyeshadow palette. And there's a lot of different colors in here. They said that they used different like spices like cumin and vanilla to inspire the colors in this palette. You get quite a few shimmery shades, and then you get a couple of nudes. So you have about 4 nudes and 6 shimmer colors. It's not bad. I like the colors for fall. I think it's great for that, for this time of year to get ready. And this MSRP is $28. So not too bad, full size. Okay, the next thing, there is so much. Okay, this is on my lips right now. This is MUSE Deep Color Lip Balm in Cherry. And the packaging is really nice. You unscrew it and lift it up like that. Okay, it's really pretty. That's on my lips. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like that, but I really do. And this is $28 full size. Very nice. I love it. I put it on and I'm like, yes, that is so me. Okay, the next sample you get is from Sunday Riley, and this is a hydrating cream. You can use it morning and night after you're done cleansing your face and toning and stuff. I did try this today. I do like it. The smell is really mute, but the texture is super thick and really creamy, and it, oh man, it made my face feel like so good when I was done putting it on. Felt awesome. And that's your sample size. Yeah, it says this, it does tell you the price. This is $65 for the full size. I love Sunday Riley, but I will not pay your prices. Not yet. Okay, and then the next thing I got, you get 2 eyeliners, and I did try these. So you get one in Black Caviar and one in, come on Lauren, Bronze Beam. And these are from PURLISSE. You can get these, I'm not sure if you can get these colors, but I know this brand is sold at Target. I've seen it, never tried it until today. So the Black Caviar I did use on the top. And I saw another YouTuber, she was saying that this was more of like a purple color when you put it on. That's why I decided, hey, I'm actually gonna try that on the top. And she was right, it really is. And then on the waterline here, I used the Bronze Beam, which I'm really excited to use this on the top because I feel like it'll accentuate my brown eyeballs. I do like these. They go on as smooth as butter. They are super awesome. And I'll go ahead and I'll swatch them so you can see what it looks like on my hand and how easy that went on. That one's Black Caviar. And then this one is the, whoops, oh darn it, whatever. Bronze Beam. That's how like soft these are, is that it's easy to just push too hard and break it. Leave it to me to do that. Okay, these are $24 together. Full size. And lastly, I got the Goldfaden MD Brightening Elixir. This was actually my choice product that I wanted to get this month because it's supposed to help with color correcting. And I've pointed out my melasma to you folks before, but it's hardly there anymore because I've been doing so many different skin treatments to make it go away, and it's worked, except for this stubborn spot here. So you can use this all over your face, or you can use it as a spot treatment for those stubborn brown or hyperpigmented places on your face. So that's what I'm gonna try with this to see if it'll work here and get that to finally go away. So this sells for, it's $80 for this size bottle, which is 1 fluid ounce. So it should be good for that price, but I'm excited to try it. So the verdict, do I think that it's worth the extra $25? At this point, I'm a little torn, and the reason being is because they sent me a lot of things that I am not big on. But then they sent some things that I like. I'm not huge on sample size products just because for me, they tend to stack up, and I'll have a sample of this and that and this, and the next thing you know, there's a drawer of samples that I don't know what to do with, because I'm like, there's just too much, I'm at a loss. That's why I'm like, today I'm gonna try this stuff before I go on camera to at least know what it is and know what's in my drawer. But you know, I don't think I've actually, I need to go another month with the Ultimate to know if I made a good decision to switch. And if next month isn't as good as I'm hoping, then I probably will switch back to the Glam Bag Plus, but not yet. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. See you next time.